Welcome to the Wealthy Cash Cow channel, your reliable source for all things finance. We're here to provide you with the financial wisdom you need to navigate the complex world of money. From the intricacies of investment to the secrets of savings, from the allure of real estate to the thrill of entrepreneurship, we cover it all. We aim to equip you with the tools and knowledge necessary to achieve financial success. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey, or you're an experienced mogul looking for fresh insights, the Wealthy Cash Cow channel is your partner every step of the way. We believe in the power of financial literacy, and our goal is to make this often intimidating subject approachable and understandable for everyone. So saddle up and get ready to ride the bull market to prosperity. Today we will reveal 5 proven strategies to make your first $1 million. The first strategy to reach your first million is investing in the stock market. Now, what does this mean? Simply put, the stock market is a marketplace for buying and selling shares of public companies. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. And as the company grows and profits, so does the value of your share. It's a strategy that requires a mix of research, patience, and sometimes a dash of daring. You need to study market trends, understand the business models of the companies you're investing in, and keep an eye on global financial news. But remember, investing in the stock market isn't about making a quick buck. It's about playing the long game. It's about watching your investments grow over time and seeing those small, incremental gains accumulate into a substantial sum. Remember, investing in the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven method for long-term wealth accumulation. The second strategy is investing in real estate. This strategy has a unique appeal, offering a tangible asset that can provide a steady stream of income. Let's talk about rental properties, for instance. They can become a reliable source of revenue, especially when you've chosen a location with high demand for rentals. But it's not just about picking a property and waiting for the rent checks to roll in. Successful real estate investment requires careful planning and astute management. You need to consider the costs of property maintenance, tenant management, and even dealing with periods of vacancy. Moreover, understanding market trends is crucial. Are people moving into the area? Is the local job market strong? These factors can greatly influence the success of your investment. But here's the bottom line: real estate can be a lucrative venture if you're prepared for the responsibilities that come with it. With patience, knowledge, and good judgment, this strategy can bring you closer to that coveted millionaire status. Our third strategy involves starting your own business. Now, this isn't for the faint of heart. It's a path that's fraught with risks and uncertainties, but it's also a journey that can lead to unparalleled financial rewards. Consider this. When you're an employee, your income is often fixed. But as a business owner, you have the power to control your income. To make this strategy work, you need a solid business plan. Your idea must be viable, and there must be a market for your product or service. Market research is crucial. You need to understand your target customers, your competitors, and the dynamics of the industry. And then there's perseverance. Starting a business is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks and failures along the way, but you need to stay the course. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has a story of persistence and resilience. Owning a business can be challenging, but the financial rewards can be substantial. Strategy number 4 is peer-to-peer lending. This is a modern investment strategy where you act as the bank, lending money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. The allure of peer-to-peer lending lies in its potential returns. Interest rates can range widely, but they often fall between 5 and 12%, offering a substantial potential for profit. However, like any other investment strategy, peer-to-peer lending isn't without its risks. Borrowers might default on their loans, and unlike traditional banks, you don't have the safety nets of insurance or collateral. That's why diversification is key. By spreading your investments across multiple loans, you can minimize the impact of any single default, ultimately reducing your overall risk. Peer-to-peer lending can be a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. It offers an opportunity to earn passive income while simultaneously helping others achieve their financial goals. Peer-to-peer lending can provide a steady income stream, but it's crucial to understand the risks involved. The fifth and final strategy is to maximize your earnings and save. This strategy may seem straightforward, but you'd be surprised at how often it's overlooked. To truly maximize your earnings, you need to be constantly on the lookout for opportunities. This could be seeking a promotion at work, freelancing, or even starting a side hustle. Remember, every additional dollar earned is an extra dollar towards your first million. Simultaneously, it's crucial to save. This doesn't mean you have to live a frugal life, it's about being smart with your money. Create a budget and stick to it. This will help you identify unnecessary expenses and areas where you can save. Consider using automated savings tools to ensure you're consistently putting money aside. In essence, the key to reaching that million-dollar mark lies in the balance between maximizing your income and saving effectively. Maximizing your earnings and saving diligently are fundamental steps to amassing your first million. So, there you have it. 5 proven strategies to make your first $1 million. From investing in the stock market, diversifying your portfolio, and taking advantage of the potential profits in real estate, to launching your own business, utilizing peer-to-peer lending, and maximizing your earnings while maintaining a frugal lifestyle. Every method requires discipline, patience, and informed decision-making. Remember, the journey to wealth accumulation isn't a sprint, but a marathon. It's about consistency, taking calculated risks and making smart moves. The path to financial freedom is not easy, but with these strategies, you're equipped with the knowledge to make that dream a reality. It's not about the quick wins, it's about the long-term gains. It's about understanding that every decision you make today could potentially impact your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Wealthy Cash Cow channel for more financial wisdom. Until next time, keep striving for your financial goals.